Hello guys, this is DJ Dimaliuat and in this episode, pag-uusapan naman natin ang term insurance. Kung sulit nga ba siya, ano ba yung mga advantages niya, and magkano ba inaabot? Let's show a sample product for you. Unang-una, pag-usapan natin, ano nga ba talaga yung term insurance? So yung term insurance, it covers you every time you pay. Pag hindi ka nagbayad, wala ka ng insurance. Because ito yung type of insurance na wala siyang savings. Di ba? Tuwing nagbabayad ka, covered ka. Para siyang insurance ng sasakyan. Di ba? Every year, nire-renew mo siya. Ganon. So, ganon din dito sa term insurance. So technically, yung insurance mo sa sasakyan, term insurance yan eh. Pag hindi ka nagbayad, hindi ka na-insured for that year, di ba? Kasi you have that choice. Ganon din dito sa term insurance. So, yun yung one of the definition niya talaga. Hindi siya whole life. So meaning, hindi ka covered up to age 100. Kasi yung mga whole life, yung mga traditional plans, ganon eh. Pwedeng limited pay, let's say 10 years or 20 years to pay lang. Tapos hanggang age 100 covered ka na. Ito hindi. Pag hindi ka nagbayad, hindi ka na covered. Diba? And actually, based on statistics, only 2% of term insurance policies yung enforced during when the time it's needed. Because nga, you know, when people, pag wala ng pera or hindi nila priority, hindi nila binabayaran. So, although maganda siya kasi mura siya, hindi siya pinaprioritize ng tao. So, parang sa mindset, wala siya doon. Yun lang naman yung only challenge. Hindi rin siya VUL. So, meaning, wala siyang investment component. Talagang purely insurance siya. Meaning pag bumili ka ng whole life or bumili ka ng VUL, yung talagang binabayaran mo lang sa insurance, ito yung term. Diba? Sa VUL kasi diba, may insurance siya, merong investment part or savings part. Ito yung part lang ng insurance, yun yung term insurance. Kasi technically, ang binibili mo lang talaga purely life insurance. So yun. Second thing, kailan ba magandang bumili nito? Ano ba yung reason bakit ako bibili nito? Kailan ba siya tamang gamitin? Pag-usapan natin, I really wanna educate you. No? First, for me, two reasons lang eh. Ang first reason, kung talagang walang-wala kang budget, ito lang yung kaya mo, by all means, mag-start ka kaysa naman hindi ka covered. Diba? So when I talk to my clients and then hindi pa rin nila kaya yung VUL or ordinary life, yung whole life regularly, na magbabayad ka every year, ito yung para ma-cover lang ako yun, sige, bili ako. Hopefully next year, kaya kong ituloy yan, diba? Or magbayad ako, ganyan. So, yun yung isang reason. Number two is, you need additional insurance. Meaning, may VUL ka or meron kang traditional life insurance, pero you want more at a cheaper price. So, meaning, pangdagdag siya. For me, ito talaga yung best use of term insurance. Meaning, meron ka ng life insurance. Kunyari, 5 million. Meron ka ng 5 million life insurance. Pero sa isip mo, parang kailangan ko pa ng additional 5 million. Kasi lang gusto ko 10 million. Para pag may mangyari sa akin, may maiiwan sa family ko na 10 million. Yung 5 million, yun yung regularly binabayaran mo para hopefully hanggang age 100 covered ka. Yung additional 5 million, binili mo siya term. Meaning kung hanggang kailan mo kayang bayaran, babayaran mo siya. Pag hindi mo na kaya, okay mo lang siyang i-let go. Kasi may 5 million ka pa. Di ba? Covered ka pa rin. Ginagamit din ito, kunyari, let's say breadwinner ka, you have kids, habang bata pa sila, you want more coverage. Pero pag nag-retire ka na, let's say 65, hindi mo na kailangan ng sobrang laking insurance. Ayaw mo na rin. So gusto mo, you buy an insurance as cheap as possible. Yung additional mong insurance, mura mo na lang gustong mabili. And then you still have that regular insurance na hopefully you don't withdraw. Diba? Kasi sa ibang life insurance, maybe we'll talk about that in different episodes. So I will show here in this video if there are links of different episodes about different types of insurance. But for this episode, term insurance, ganun siya. For me, pangdagdag siya. Kung meron ka ng dating policy and you want more insurance to cover you because you realize gusto mo ng mas maraming insurance, bumili ka ng term at a limited budget. Kasi no, dapat at least 10 times your annual income yung life insurance mo eh. So kung nabababaan ka pa sa insurance mo ngayon, gusto mo magdagdag, pwede kang magdagdag ng term insurance. So it's either yun lang talaga yung budget mo so far pero gusto mo insured ka, or gusto mo madagdagan yung insurance mo but at limited budget or mas mura, then you go for term insurance. Sometimes we use that as well as MRI. No, kaysa magbayad ka ng MRI kay bank, ito na yon. In reality, yung MRI ni bank, term insurance din yun. Pag hindi ka nagbayad, wala ka ng insurance, di ba? So technically, that's what term insurance is. Ano bang advantages nito? Ba't ka bumibili ng term insurance? Na-mention ko na kanina, it's the cheapest form of life insurance. Why? Because walang savings, walang investment, purely insurance lang siya. So ito lang talaga yung cost of life insurance. No? So if gusto mo talagang murang-mura, you go for term insurance. Kung yun lang yung priority mo. Diba? Ang maganda pa rito, it's guaranteed renewal as long as you pay. Pag sinabing guaranteed renewal, kasi diba, hindi ka na pwedeng bumili ng life insurance kung meron ka ng sakit na malala. 'Di ba? Kasi yun if there's contemplation of death already, hindi ka ma-approve, 'di ba? But kunyari, when we get insurance anyway when we're healthy. So when you're healthy, you get a term insurance, constant ka nagbabayad, and then let's say nagkasakit, 'di ba? Uninsurable ka na. Even though you're uninsurable and even though this is term insurance, with the same policy, as long as you just pay the required premium, usually it increases as you age. You are still covered for whatever magkano yung binili mong face amount before. So, yun yung basic advantages of a term insurance. Mura siya and guaranteed renewable kahit may sakit ka na, basta nagbabayad ka, nare-renew pa rin yun. No. Magkano ba yan? Let's talk about how much does a term insurance cost. So, syempre, depende na yan, iba-iba na yan per company. But since I'm with Philam Life, let me share with you our product called Guardian 1. Diba? So, or Guardian. Kasi we have Guardian 1, Guardian 5, and Guardian 65. Maraming different variants ng term insurance. Meron yung every year nagbabago yung price. So, murang-mura siya sa first year and then habang tumatagal, nagmamahal siya. Meron namang, sa amin, that's Guardian 1 yung una. Then next is the Guardian 5. Ito naman, every 5 years, flat premium ka, and then after 5 years, magpapalit ka. Kumbaga, magtataas yung premium kasi tumanda ka na. And then after 5 years ulit, within that 5 years, flat ulit siya, and then after 5 years, dagdag na naman. That's 5-year term. Parang gano'n. Meron ding mga 10-year term yung different companies. Sa amin, wala nun. And then merong mga pay up to age 65. No, hanggang age 65, bayad ka. Pagdating ng 65, putol na. Hindi ka na pwedeng magbayad ng insurance or bumili ng term. Hindi ka na pwedeng mag-extend. Ganun. So, kaya siya term, hindi siya up to age 100 covered. So, yun nga, kung hanggang 65 lang yung contract, hanggang 65 ka lang covered. Kahit gusto mo pang magbayad, hindi na pwede. Yung Guardian 1 namin, up to age 84. No? So, hanggang 84 ka lang covered. Pag tumanda ka beyond 84, kahit gusto mo pang bumili, hindi na pwede. So, yun. So, I'll share with you, let's first look at a 29-year-old male. I have a sample in one of my clients. I'll share with you. Hindi natin papakita yung pangalan. Now, ang 1 million coverage sa isang Guardian 1, meaning every year nag-i-increase yung premium, pero murang-mura siya sa simula. 1 million coverage for a 29-year-old male is only 3,260. Ilang 3,260 na yung dumaan sa mga kamay mo. No? At nagbigay sa'yo ng value na 1 million. Ito kasi, that gives you 1 million for your family in times that something happens to you. Diba? So, walang mga riders to. No? So, ito yung mga basic life insurance lang talaga. Of course, you can still add on riders. Depende yan. But just for the purpose of this video, I want to show you na pwede. No? 3,260. And what happens to this? Ito yun. No, pag nag-30 ka na, 3,260 pa rin. Pag nag-31 ka na, 3,290. Hindi ko nung kalaki, 30 pesos lang dinagdag. Oh. 32 ka na, 3,320. And then naging 3,380. Naging 3,435. Ganyan. Pag 40 ka na, 4,420 na siya. Mababa pa rin. No? 4,400 lang siya. Pag nag-50 ka na, 7,800 na siya. So medyo tumataas na habang tumatanda. And then along the way. So just to show you na yearly renewable, and since nire-renew mo siya every year, nagtataas siya unti-unti every year. Ganun siya. Alright? So, with the same client, meron tayong tinatawag na, let's say yun nga, yung 5-year term. Every 5 years nagbabago yung presyo. No? So, meron tayong ganyan. And then, yung feature ng Guardian namin, ang ginagawa ko, ito yung favorite ko na gawin, instead na 5 years to pay or every year nagbabayad ka ng 5 straight years, I offer some of my clients 1 year to pay lang. 1 year ka lang magbabayad, 5 years ka nang covered. So in this example, ito yung papakita ko sa inyo, yung 1,000,000, 10,380 lang yung kailangan mong bayaran. 5 years ka nang covered. So parang 2,000 plus lang siya. It's even cheaper than the 3,260 kanina na pinakita ko na Guardian 1 kasi times 5 mo yon, 15,000, 16,000 eh. So definitely ang mura nito 10,300 lang, 'di ba? I personally get insurance pag ganito. Kung gusto ko ng term, pandagdag sa mga insurance ko, 5 pay, Guardian 5 na 1 pay yung kinukuha ko. 'Di ba? If you can see, 29 at age 29 nagbayad ng 10,380. Pagkatapos nun, 0,000 ka, after 5 years, age 34, tsaka ka lang ulit magbabayad, 13,800 lang, ang baba ng inakyat. Good for 5 years na naman yun. And then you renew at age 39, 18,000 na. And then 44, 27,000 na. And then 49, 37,000 na. And so on. Mura pa rin siya. Kasi 5 years na yung pinag-uusapan, guys. No? One time mong binayad, covered ka na ng 5 years. Eh, kung may 10-3 ka ngayon, di ba? Ilang 10-3 na yung dumaan sa atin. Meron ka bang 5 million? Kasi 1 million and then eventually, technically parang 5 million yun kasi 5 years yun. Ganon, di ba? So, imagine that what 10,380 can do for you. It's 1 million coverage for the next 5 years. Ganon po kaganda yung term insurance. O paano naman kung medyo, let's say 40 years old, 40-year-old female. I want to show you, pag tumanda ng konti, 40-year-old female, in this case, yung 1 million coverage for 920 a year o yung first year. Mura pa rin, di ba? And then if you would notice, pag naging 40, actually, in this case pala, 42. No, itong ginawa ko ng proposal, 42 na siya. 42-year-old female for 920. Ngayon, nung nag-43 siya, o pag nag-43 ka, 52. Konti lang nagdag, less than 300 pesos. And then 44, 5,490. 45, 5,800. 46, 6,050. It's increasing gradually, no? But still, ang liit pa rin. Even the 6,000 pesos versus 1 million, ang laki ng risk ng company sa'yo, di ba? Ganon. So, and even if you can see hanggang age 66, pwede ka magbayad 27,000. Still, 27,890 is not that big compared to the potential 1 million na makuha ng family mo. Diba? Ganun po kasulit ang term insurance. And in reality, ganun lang kamura ang life insurance. If only na-educate tayo, and that's what we're doing in this video. Diba? Tignan natin yung Guardian 5 nitong policy na to, itong client na to. If you want to buy, one-time pay ka lang, magbabayad, and then 5 years ka lang covered. For the same client, 42-year-old female, 1 million, 22,930. Then every 5 years ka lang magbabayad, no? Covered ka na for the next 5 years. Kung 42 ka bumili, tagbayad ka ng 22,930. Pagdating ng 47, bayad ka ulit 33,130. Ang mura na nun. Again, divide mo lang sa 5, it's just 6,000 plus. So almost the same like what I shown earlier, but definitely mas nakatipid ka pa in reality. So, nakatipid ka pa dito. Kasi nga, kumbaga, in advance mo na. So kung ganun din naman, mabubuhay ka naman for the next 5 years, bayaran mo na. Diba? But again, insurance is there just in case. So as you can see, the premium increases every 5 years. But definitely, just pay once, wala ka nang iisipin, insured ka for the next 5 years. Mahalaga rin yan. Kunyari, nagkaroon ka ng crisis, ng problem, wala kang iisipin na babayaran. Ganun. So that's how much a term insurance is. So nakaka-idea ka na ba how much insurance? Baka gusto mo magdagdag, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Maybe you have a real estate loan kasi sa bank ka nagbabayad, you wanna buy on an insurance company, pwede para may financial advisor ka, you can do that. Right? And lastly, you might be asking, how can I avail? Paano ba ako makakabili ng term insurance? Saan ba ako bibili niyan? Of course, sa mga insurance companies, di ba? So what do you need to do? You contact your friend na financial advisor kung meron, di ba? And you ask about term insurance. Kung ayaw mo naman sa friend mo or sa kakilala mo, you can contact me, di ba? And I can be your financial advisor as well. We can do that. Diba? We can book an online appointment. I can show you and project to you some of the quotation, kung magkakano, diba? Ang mahalaga, you talk to a financial advisor. But again, as I always say, when you buy a life insurance or any insurance for the matter, okay, maganda, malaking company. No? As long as the company can pay. But most importantly, the financial advisor will take care of you. That someone that has the expertise and someone who's really committed, hindi mo mawawala basta-basta dyan sa industry na yan, and will be there when you need him. Now, when you need help, let's say, you need to claim either life or health claim, diba? Or reimbursement, will be there for you. Right? Basta contact most, if not all, life insurance companies have some kind of this. Yeah, I'm from Philam Life. We're one of the lowest in terms of especially the term insurance, Guardian One. May mga client ako from different companies. In reality, even financial advisors from different companies who buy from me have some friends because sabi nila mura rin daw yung term insurance namin. So that could be good, right? So what did you get from this video? Kindly comment in the comment section below. If you benefited from this video, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell. Dapat naka-turn on yan so that when I post new content, you will make sure that you will be updated every time I have new videos. So thank you very much for watching. This is DJ Dimaliuat and see you again soon.